What does the family car of the future look like? Come with me, I'm going to show you how we envision it at Renault. Emblème is a vision of carbon-free mobility. We have a goal of carbon neutrality by 2035 at Ampere. So in practical terms, that we are going from 50 tons of CO2 to 5 tons of CO2 from cradle to grave. This means that we're going to reduce the carbon emissions from the extraction of materials all the way down to the vehicle end of life. And so to check that we had the means to realize the goal and that it was realistic, we decided to design, produce and make a demo car. Emblème was kind of a bold bet to reconcile climate needs, which was to reach 5 tons of carbon footprint, with family and future mobility needs without compromising on either comfort, design, efficiency and technology. Emblème is a very collective teamwork. It was a very collaborative effort involving engineers, designers, sustainability experts and specialists within the group, within Renault Group, and of course Ampere. But it was also with partners and suppliers from all around the industry. We built this demo car not just for the show, we built it to inspire the future generations of vehicles, and that's why we needed it to be very anchored in the reality and with its ecosystem of suppliers. So if you want to learn more about Emblème, I invite you to watch the videos of Pascal and Sandy.